Tumeweza kuachiliwa leo usiku wa kuamkia leo sehemu ya Gashie kwa kichaka.
The 3 men from Kitengela who were abducted during youth-led protests against President William Ruto's government have been released. Bob Njagi, Aslam Longton, and Longton Jamil had been missing for weeks, their disappearance sparking public outcry and legal action. Their release comes after a protracted court case led by the Law Society of Kenya, LSK, which demanded that the police produce the men. The case eventually resulted in the Acting Inspector General of Police being sentenced for failing to appear in court as ordered. Earlier, the Directorate of Criminal Investigations, DCI, had denied any knowledge of the men's whereabouts, further fueling concern.
So mine is to reiterate that as officers of the National Police Service, we are not holding the so-called the Kitengela 3.
Following continued pressure, the captors eventually freed the men, abandoning them in separate locations. Jamil Longton and his brother Aslam were found after being dumped in Njagi, while Bob Njagi was released around 3 a.m. in the Thogoto area. Their release marks the end of a harrowing ordeal, but it has raised significant questions about forced disappearances and police accountability in Kenya.
Mimi nawashukuru wa Kenya, watu waliosimama na sisi. Tumeweza kuachiliwa leo usiku wa kuamkia leo sehemu ya Gashie, na tukatembea hadi tukapata estate moja. Hapo ndio tukaomba mahali tukacharge simu na tukaweza kucommunicate na familia kwa tumewachiliwa na tuko hai. Tunashukuru Mungu.
Kwa majina naitwa Aslam Njagi Longton. Nashukuru wa Kenya kwa kusimama na sisi. Tumeachiliwa leo yani masaa kuamkia, tumeweza kuachiliwa na tumetupwa kwa kichaka. Ndipo tuko hapa hivi.